going. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it.
Hello, hi. My name is Jane Visagi. Welcome to my YT channel. If you're a returning babe, I appreciate you being here for the longest of time and for your continued support. In today's video, I'll be installing a wig for my client, and I'll be sharing my technique on how I do it myself. First, I apply the glue. And as you can see, I don't normally use a hairdryer to speed it up. I let it melt by itself.
For my city gone. You know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man is cast the stone. But you belong long power sandu. But why they titi mo de sham you? I do belong long to come yo. Kale ma jon kale she kale ma yo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me yeah you no long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah every day I know that I am blessed. So tight because you love me. Yeah they can do me. Nothing man no face. Vibe to pay.
This way, it dries out quickly and helps the wig stick better compared to using a hairdryer. We all have different techniques, right? Next, I ensure that the client's wig is in the right position before placing it down. I ask her to hold the sides so I can properly melt the glue and comb the hair at the back. After that, I spray with Glamour Spray and use the hairdryer again, spraying all over the lace.
No remnants, no trace, no residual. Who feelings within you, then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same.
I don't rush to put the melting belt on. First, I spray the hair with a protector, which gives it a nice shine and makes it easier to iron. Once that's done, I hairdryer it to strengthen and dry the spray. Afterward, I apply the melting belt to really lock in that lace. start straightening the hair, sectioning it first. Before I do that, I use a polish hair serum I got from Clicks, which makes a noticeable difference.
Transformed your love into life. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have shoved you. Better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more. As you let love song go through your pretty ways, pretty ways, your pretty ways, your pretty ways, your pretty ways, your pretty ways, your
Once the melting belt is removed, and I begin styling my client's hair. She's going for a basic look with no edges, and she looks absolutely gorgeous. Stay tuned until the end of this video to see how beautifully the lace has melted down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. If you have watched until this far, please comment with these two emoji.
VIP. VIP.